What if I told you that the most powerful thing you can do in any situation is absolutely nothing? Just stay silent. A fool is always recognized by his uncontrolled tongue, but a wise and successful man is always recognized by his calm and composed silence. And Acharya Chanakya himself said that the person who understands what to say, when to say it, and how much to say, no one in this world can stop that person from becoming successful. Just like an arrow once released from a bow never comes back, in the same way words spoken from the mouth never come back. Your words can become your greatest strength and also your biggest weakness, and simply staying quiet at the right time can save you from countless problems. While sometimes even a single carelessly spoken word can create massive trouble for you, yet most people use their tongue just to appear smart and important, whereas great thinkers, geniuses, and powerful leaders have all already said that real power is hidden in silence. Because wise and successful people know exactly when, where, and at what time to speak. So today we will tell you 6 powerful benefits of silence that will teach you right now how, when, and where to speak, and you will learn to say only as much as is truly necessary. The first benefit is that silence confuses your opponent and grabs everyone's attention. Don't say anything until every single person in the room is completely quiet. Just wait patiently, and slowly everyone's attention will start moving toward you, wondering why this person is not saying anything. Their curiosity and expectations will start rising, and when you finally speak, your words will feel 10 times more impactful. This is not a manipulation trick, but simply the art of perfect timing. And the greatest warrior Sun Tzu defeated thousands of enemies with the power of his silence. Many times he would just stay silent and put his enemies into a state of deep confusion. And he said that when you stay silent, you make your enemies deeply uncomfortable and they start overthinking about you, what your plan is, what your next move will be, and all this overthinking pulls them away from their own focus, and you win. The second benefit is that silence builds laser-sharp focus. Buddha said that before speaking, let your words pass through the gates of 3 important questions. First, does what you are saying have real value? Second, is it truly necessary to say it right now? Third, will these words actually create a difference, or will people simply ignore them because silence and focus come together as one? If you are truly thinking, you cannot speak, and if you are speaking, you cannot truly think. People who talk too much just keep talking and their words carry 0 value. Whereas people who stay silent structure all their thoughts carefully and only speak when it is absolutely necessary. The third benefit is that silence builds deep trust in relationships. To build strong connections with people, trust is everything. And to win anyone's trust, you must learn to listen to them genuinely. Because when you listen to someone with full attention, they feel deeply valued and important. And this is what builds real trust between 2 people. Most people, when they meet someone, just keep talking about themselves, their achievements, their problems. But successful and powerful people always ask questions, listen carefully, and observe deeply. The fourth benefit is that silence builds inner strength. Most of us are actually afraid of silence because we confuse it with loneliness. We want people to always notice us and like us, so we keep talking to get their attention. But by avoiding silence, we are actually hiding our true self and becoming weaker inside day by day. Because silence works like a mirror in our life. When we are truly calm and quiet, we come face to face with our real self, and we realize that we don't need anyone's validation to feel happy or confident. And spending time in silence helps us like ourselves more, which greatly increases our self-worth and inner confidence. The fifth benefit is that silence is a secret weapon in negotiation. When you stay quiet and don't talk too much, both your strengths and weaknesses stay completely hidden from others. No one can find a way to harm you or take advantage of you. And with your silence, you create a mysterious protective shield around your personality that makes people both respect and fear you. For example, if you are in a job interview and a salary is offered but you want more, never give an immediate answer. Just stay silent for a few seconds. Because uncomfortable silence makes people nervous, and they will say something to fill that silence. And in doing so, they will unknowingly reveal information that you can use to your advantage. The sixth and final benefit is that silence is the foundation of your personal power. The less you speak, the more your words will matter. And this is the dark power that the world's greatest leaders, warriors, and negotiators have always used. Start practicing silence from today. Observe more, speak less, choose your words carefully, and watch how your entire life begins to transform in ways you never imagined possible.